Yeah, hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's training, we'll quickly be talking about a powerful project called VALIX Trade. Okay, and in this training, we'll only be making emphasis on how to fund your account on VALIX. Okay, so all you just need to do is to log in. I think you would have done your registration by now, making use of the referral ID or referral link of the person that invited you into the space. So all you just need to do is to come to the menu, then you choose your plan. There is plans and there is sorry, plans and there is plan history. Plan history will be talking about the plans that you've purchased. As you can see, I made $1,000 purchase. So, and the plans, these are the plans that are available. Assuming you want to go for the gas, we have the gas, which is between 100 and 99, $999, and you have an average of 1.3, $1.5 daily, and it's a year project also, and also an income cap of 500%. That means all you can earn is the 500 times what you have invested into the project. Then we have the oil plan. Then we have the oil plan, which is from 1,000 to 999 $9,999, which an average or the max earning here is about 2% daily. And this is going to be a 1 year period also with 500% cap. Then we have the gold, which is also 10,000 to $100,000, which max daily is 2.5%, and we have 1 year trading period, also 500 percent. So that is five times whatever you get in there. So now, to make it safe, assuming I want to invest $1,000 or $2,000, I type it in the box, then I click purchase. So you choose your mode of payment. Are you paying through BTC or are you paying through USDT? But make sure if you're paying through USDT, you have to pay through BSC. That is called Binance Smart Chain. The same thing as BNB network. So you click on it, then you click on next step. So all you just need to do is to make sure that you send this fund, as you can see, this font, which is the same thing here, this font, making use of BSC, that means, or Binance Smart Chain, or BNB Network to send this font. So, in a nutshell, instead of you sending all these long digits, decimal digits, you just add, you just make it an approximation so you can send for 2004.3 just to balance it up. So the 4.3 is the what do we call it, the charges for this payment. Then you copy this wallet address, send the money to the wallet address, and make sure you send it within this time frame of 4 minutes. So make sure you send it through this time frame. After you have sent, payment sent, and that's all. It will reflect on your back end automatically, and your trading will start automatically. Thank you very much. God bless you as you join this project. It is brand new. It is not yet into pre-launch. It is still on what we call pre placement. That means right now we are still placing networkers into the system. But if you get these and you're not a networker, there is no problem. The earlier you join a project like this, the better. The faster you make your money. If there's going to be any bot, you would have made your money